Hi everyone, today we have another collection. Let's check it together. First of all, we have Game Boy Advance SP. I think it's a genuine one, but we have a missing cover here. And we have a Game Boy printer. But if we checked this screws, it looks like it have some kind of water damage. So we have to check this. And we have a 6-volt power adapter. This one is compatible with our Game Boy Advance SP, as I think. Yeah. Also we have this too, Game Boy DMG, in a pretty good shape, but this one is a little bit yellowed, need to be restored. And we have this accessory. I think it's compatible with Game Boy Pocket or Game Boy Color. What else? Yeah, we have this 4-player adapter for DMG. I think it's original. Yeah, it's from Nintendo. And we have this linking cable. And a bunch of game cartridges. I think all of it are fake, so we don't have to check this games. Let's see. I will bring my Game Boy Pocket to check if this one is fitting my Game Boy or not. That's it. If you remember, we already installed IPS mod for this Game Boy Pocket. Alright. Yeah, for sure it's 4 Game Boy Pocket devices. But I am a little bit worried about scratching my Game Boy. Let's check. Is it? I will bring another one. Because the transparent one is very sensitive to scratches, I will test this one. Alright. Okay. I think it's made for this Game Boy. Oh, we have a little crack here because it's very difficult to align. Yeah, that's it. Now we have a joystick for our Game Boy Pocket. So I will let the testing of this accessory for another video and continue with the rest of this package. We have a Game Boy DMG. I will bring my batteries to see if it's working or not. Now we have 4 batteries of AA. If I remember, yeah, we have a lot of lines. I hope these lines we will be able to fix. Let's check if we have audio. Yeah. And we need to clean this contrast wheel to fix this blinking. Let's check the other one. This one is pretty good. We have no lines, we have no burn, we have no dead pixels. Okay, I will test this power supply. Sorry, this power adapter. Yeah, for sure it's working. We have no batteries here. Alright. This printer, we need to make a separate video for testing and restoring this one. Unfortunately, we have a missing acrylic cover for this part. This hub also, we need to make another separate video for it. Let's check if this Game Boy Advance SCP is working or not. We have another one here, so I will use this battery. As you see, this one have a cracked screen. Alright. Now we have our working battery. Let's see. Oh, we have a power, but we have nothing on screen and we have no sound. I hope that this screen will work for us. In this case, we may swap this screen from this Game Boy Advance SP to this one because we have a better condition shell and we have a working board here. I think this will be all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you